This video is sponsored by Squarespace, an all-in-one platform to create your own cute corner of the internet. Before I finish customizing the rest of this keeb, I'd like to take a moment to introduce this video's sponsor, Squarespace. When I'm not fawning over cute things with you all on YouTube, I run a website where I dedicate an entire section to sharing where to find cute additions to your setup, including keyboards like these. Which brings us to Squarespace, who I worked with to bring my website to life even before I started YouTube. For those who aren't familiar, Squarespace is an all-in-one platform for building your own personal website or online store. With their highly customizable and beautiful templates, creating a website is as straightforward as picking one of those and adjusting it to meet your needs. Whether you're looking to have a personal portfolio, a blog, or a cozy shop to sell your own masterpieces, Squarespace likely has the perfect foundation for you to build your website on. Once you've started building your own website, customization can all be done through Squarespace's simple online portal, where you can tweak it as much or as little as you'd like to. To try out what Squarespace has to offer, go to squarespace.com for a free trial. Or if you're interested in a 10% discount off your first purchase of a website or domain, go to squarespace.com/nimuyatelier.